Okay, we're gonna read animal senses touch. How does this critter feel?
What is that animal?
We'll see.
I know. I think it's a frog.
Animal senses touch.
That is a gecko. A caterpillar.
How do animals feel the world around them? Animals use your sense of touch to find food, run, swim, climb, fly, and stay free. Duck. Duck feathers sense the wind and breeze high in the sky. So the ducks feel a breeze, feel the wind and breeze high in the sky. A raccoon. Raccoon use fingers to help this animal find food in the dark. So these fingers help this animal find food in the dark. Sea lion. This animal's whiskers feel the air and the sea. So we have the sea. We have the
sea lion has whiskers.
Sea lion, the raccoon, and the duck.
I can see the sea lion's
Yes.
whiskers.
So we said that the raccoon's fingers help this animal find food in the dark. The duck feathers sense the wind and breeze high in the sky. The sea lion, the animal's whiskers, feel the air and the sea.
Feel the air and the breeze.
So the whiskers, the fingers, and the feathers help these animals touch. Help these animals' sense of touch. Gecko. Thousands of little hairs grow on the bottom of the lizard's feet. They help it hold on wherever it walks. A gecko can get food hanging upside down on a slippery leaf. It can dash away across a ceiling.
Remember a gecko from PJ
Yeah. Yeah, this gecko has thousands of little hairs grown on the bottom of this lizard's feet. They help it hold on wherever it walks. So the little hairs help the gecko hold on wherever it walks. A gecko can get food hanging upside down on a slippery leaf. It can dash away across the ceiling. So the little hairs on the gecko's feet can help it from sliding.
Where's the hair?
It's very little. It's on its feet. You can't really see it.
What?
But it helps it from not slipping wherever it walks.
What is that green thing in its toes? Dad, you know that's the thing?
Raccoon. Raccoons find their food at night. So raccoons find their food at night. The fingers on their front paws. So the fingers on their front paws feel food in the dark. So the fingers on their front paws feel food in the dark. So the fingers on their front paws feel food in the dark and underwater. They feel the food to find out whether it is good to eat. Raccoons eat nuts, berries, bugs, clams, fish, and much more. So, raccoons find their food at night. Their fingers on their front paws feel food in the dark and underwater. So the fingers on their front paws help them find food in the dark and underwater. They feel the food and find out whether it's good to eat. So they feel the food to find out if they should eat the food or if they should not. And raccoons it says nuts, berries, bugs, clams, fish, and much more.
What did you say? What's it?
I said nuts, berries, bugs, clams, fish, and much more.
They can eat some clam, fish, and bugs.
Caterpillar. This caterpillar will someday become a butterfly with wings. Until it can fly, it climbs. It has little legs. It has little legs with tiny hooks. So the caterpillar has little legs with tiny hooks that grab stems and leaves as it eats. A caterpillar can cling to your finger.
What's the caterpillar's face?
So we said that the caterpillar is climbing over here, and it has little legs with teeny hooks. So the caterpillar has little legs with teeny hooks that grab stems and leaves as it eats. So the tiny hooks on its legs help the caterpillar climb. Help the caterpillar climb. It's over here. Help the caterpillar climb.
The legs is on its feet?
Yes.
What?
So the little hooks are on the legs that help it climb. Let's go. Let's see. Sea lion. Sea lions dive into the ocean to find fish to eat. In the dark water, a sea lion's whiskers feel the water as it moves. The motion tells the sea lion where fish are swimming and how far away. Whiskers also help sea lions tell where a shark is so they can swim away. So sea lions dive into the ocean to find fish to eat. So sea lions dive into the ocean to find fish to eat. In the dark water, a sea lion's whiskers feel the water. So in the dark water, the sea lion's whiskers feel the water as it moves. The motion tells the sea lion where fish are swimming and how far they are. Whiskers also help sea lions tell where a shark is so they can swim away. So the whiskers tell the sea lion where a shark is so they can swim away.
The shark can hear a little drop of
Let's see.
blood.
A horse's skin feels many things. Touching is one way a horse tells another horse they are special to each other. They lean into each other, nuzzle and touch noses. A horse's muzzle, its nose sniffs and explores and also nudges so a newborn and mother can stay close. So a horse.
Where's the mom? Where's the mom?
Probably the baby and the mom. It doesn't tell us, but that's what
The
I
brown
think.
one is the baby.
Maybe.
And the white one is the mom.
Maybe. Doesn't tell us, so maybe that's what it is. So a horse's skin feels many things. So a horse's skin feels many things.
When they're here,
So
run
a horse skin feels many things. Touching is one way a horse tells another horse they are special to each other. They lean into each other, nuzzle and touch noses. So horses touch each other so they could tell which horse is which.
Which horse is which?
A horse's muzzle, its nose sniffs and explores and also nudges so a newborn and mother can stay close. Duck. This duck has special feathers for feeling how the air moves. The same way hair on your arm can feel a light blow of air. The feathers help the duck fly many miles. So the duck the duck has special feathers for feeling how the air moves. So the duck has special feathers that help it feel how the air moves. It's the same way as our arms have hair and we feel a light blow. The feathers help the duck fly many miles.
It has a purple feather and a red
Yes,
feather.
it has a purple and red feather.
It's a rainbow duck.
Yes. Let's find out more. This gecko lives high in rainforest trees. It can make more noises than other lizards. It clicks, barks, and squeaks. Little hairs on their paws tell raccoons what something is before they touch it. The paws have claws for climbing. Raccoons can swim too. Scientists study the way caterpillars move over bumps, cross gaps, get into hard to reach places, and climb straight up. A sea lion's flippers help it steer and swim fast in the ocean. Its whiskers help it sense which way to go. Sea lions can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Whiskers are also important to a horse's sense of touch. The horse can't see what is under its nose, but its whiskers can help feel. A duck is a picky eater. As the duck pokes its bill into water and mud, it uses the tip of its bill to feel whether something is good to eat. So we said that here the gecko lives high in the rainforest. So geckos live high in the rainforest. It can move, it can make more noises than other lizards. It clicks, barks, and squeaks. Here, this one right over here. Let's see. We said the little hairs on their paws tell raccoons what something is before they touch it. So the little hairs on the paws of the raccoons tell what something is before they touch it. The paws have claws for climbing, so their paws also help the raccoon for climbing and to swim. Here, the caterpillar is next. The caterpillar, scientists study the way caterpillars move over bumps, cross gaps, get into hard to reach places, and climb straight. A sea lion's flippers help it steer and swim. So the sea lion's flippers help it swim fast in the ocean. Its whiskers, the sea lion's whiskers, helps it sense which way to go. The whiskers are also important on horses' sense of touch. The horse can't see what is under its nose, but its whiskers can feel. The horse's whiskers can help it feel. And the duck is a picky eater. The duck pokes its bill into water and mud. It uses the tip of its bill to tell whether something is good to eat or if it's not. So it makes sure if the food that it's eating is good or if the food that it's eating is not good. The end.